Ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Is there a difference between the HOG specials and the regular PowerPoints? These are PowerPoints. These are just PowerPoints. Big buck, big hog, dude going that way. But let's just take a look. They both got the same velocity. They both got the same energy, the same drop, yada, yada, yada. So, I mean, it's basically, you got the same bullet, 123 grain. Is there anything that looks different with right here? Ooh, we have different primer size in the two. Ballistically, they're all the same, but as you see, different size primers. As you see, there really ain't a difference in the bullet. Is there a big variance on these? 275 point. 275, 275, 272, 271. Interesting. A little bit different. Not much, but a little bit. Of the HOG specials and the PowerPoint 762x39. So far, the only difference that I can see was the size of the primers. So we're just going to take a couple of shots with the HOG specials and then take a couple of shots with the PowerPoints and just see if they're hitting in the same spot. They should, but you never know. Well, we got the first shot as a flower, but they are generally hitting in the same spot. Now we're going to do a deep penetration. Okay. We did shift the board just a little bit, but I don't think it's really going to make much of a difference in this test, so we're going to go ahead and take the second shot because I don't feel like walking down there and walking back. No. Both PowerPoints, the only difference that was seen on these was the size of the primer. Now, are they using different powder measures? I don't know, but we're going to see if there's a difference. We got a deep penetration. That's the HOG special right there, and this is the just a regular old PowerPoint. Nothing special about it. And that's the first one. Are we in and out the second one? We are in and out the second one. Number 3. Are we out of board number 3? Oh wow, we are out of board number 3. Board number 4. Board number 4. Oh, looky there. This was the first shot. That's the HOG special dinging the first board. And the second one, let's see. There are no knots that it hit into, but we dinged the, we actually dinged the first board. All right, here we go. That is the HOG special. And that is the PowerPoint right there. Special out of 123, we have 107.4. This, the regular old PowerPoint, we have 108, 108, 107.6. So technically, I mean, that's, yeah, they're pretty much identical. Now here's the expansion part of this to see if there's a difference. Here is the HOG special, and that's just a regular old PowerPoint. Right there, nothing special about the name, no marketing behind it. And that's what we got, what we're looking at on the bullet. Let's see what we actually did. 5.5? Yeah, it's 5.5. Okay, let's see. There's the HOG special, 97.4. Here's the PowerPoint. 108. So yeah, we got 3 grains difference. A little bit of difference right there on the bullet, but that's just the way sometimes it happens. They're not. They're still. That's still close. That's still extremely close. Is that's 0.4. That's the just a regular old PowerPoint. 0.35. So we do have a little bit variations, but not enough to matter. So we're pretty much on the track of being identical. All right, so, and we're basically shooting in the same spot. I mean, you're talking, I mean, the bullets are all hitting in the same area, so If you're wondering, without 1.5, 1.5, this is at 75 yards. Under a 2-inch group with the cold bore shot right there. So, can you, the only thing I've noticed the difference is the primers. And that is it. So, there you go. If you're sighted in and with these and you can't find them anymore, which I don't think you can, I'm not 100% sure, these are exactly the same thing, except for different primers and if they're using different powder.